In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file in Mailchimp step by step. This is incredibly useful when you want to share documents like brochures, ebooks, guides, or any downloadable resources directly through your email campaigns. Instead of attaching files the traditional way, Mailchimp allows you to upload your PDF and share it through a link, which is much more efficient and reliable for email delivery. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're logging into the correct account where you want to manage your files and campaigns. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Content. This section acts as your file library where all your images, documents, and other uploaded assets are stored. Once you're inside the Content section, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. You'll see an Upload button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open your computer's file browser. Now navigate to the folder where your PDF file is saved. Select the PDF you want to upload, then click Open. At this point, Mailchimp will begin uploading your file. Depending on the size of your PDF and your internet speed, this might take a second. Larger files may take a bit longer, so just give it a moment. Once the upload is complete, your PDF will appear in your content library along with your other files. Now click on the uploaded PDF. This will open its file details, where you can see information like the file name and, most importantly, the file URL. This URL is what you'll use to share your PDF in your email campaigns. Look for the Copy URL option and click on it. This will copy the direct link to your clipboard. Now you're ready to use it. To add the PDF to an email, go back to your campaign editor. Highlight any text, button, or image where you want to place the link. Then click the link icon and paste the copied URL. You can use text like Download PDF, View Guide, or Get Your Free ebook to make it clear for your readers. This method keeps your emails clean, professional, and avoids issues with large attachments that can affect deliverability. Here's a quick tip. Always name your PDF clearly before uploading it, and make sure the content inside is optimized for mobile viewing, since many users will open it on their phones. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF to Mailchimp and linked it inside your email campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.